Hey there, folks. Ever wondered what it's like to live the high life? To experience the world of opulence and luxury that most of us can only dream about? Picture this, a sprawling mansion overlooking the ocean, with waves gently crashing against the shore, and a pool that seems to blend seamlessly with the horizon. Sunlight glinting off a sleek sports car in the driveway, perhaps a red Ferrari that looks like it's ready to roar to life at any moment. This, my friends, is the world of the ultra-wealthy, a world often glimpsed but rarely understood. It's a realm where luxury knows no bounds, and every day is a new adventure. Today, we're taking a peek behind those golden gates to explore a day in the life of the rich and famous. What does it really mean to live in such grandeur? We'll uncover the glamorous activities, the extravagant indulgences, and the unique experiences that define this lifestyle. From private jets to exclusive parties, the world of the wealthy is filled with endless possibilities. Imagine boarding a private jet, where every detail is tailored to perfection, and flying off to a secluded island for a weekend getaway. Or attending an exclusive party, where the guest list includes celebrities, business moguls, and influencers, all mingling in an atmosphere of sheer opulence. But it's not all glitz and glamour. There are challenges too. The pressure to maintain such a lifestyle can be immense, and the scrutiny from the public eye is relentless. Security becomes a top priority, with teams of professionals ensuring the safety and privacy of their clients at all times. Balancing family life with the demands of wealth and fame can also be a delicate act, requiring careful planning and consideration. Get ready for a wild ride. As we delve deeper into this fascinating world, you'll see that living in the fast lane is as complex as it is captivating. So buckle up and join us as we journey through the highs and lows, the perks and pitfalls of life behind the golden gates. It's a world like no other, and we're about to explore it together. Forget that blaring alarm clock. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of nature, perhaps the soft chirping of birds or the distant sound of waves crashing on a private beach. Waking up for the wealthy is a luxurious affair, a seamless blend of comfort and elegance. Imagine waking up in a king-size bed, sunlight streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows, casting a golden hue across the room. The view from these windows is nothing short of spectacular, whether it's a bustling cityscape or a serene countryside. A personal chef might be preparing a gourmet breakfast with the finest ingredients sourced from around the world. Freshly squeezed orange juice, artisanal bread, and exotic fruits are just the beginning. While you enjoy your breakfast, a team of housekeepers ensures every corner of the mansion is spotless. They work quietly and efficiently, maintaining the pristine condition of your home. After a leisurely breakfast, it's time to hit the private gym, equipped with state-of-the-art machines and personal trainers ready to tailor a workout just for you. Or perhaps enjoy a yoga session overlooking a breathtaking view, where the tranquility of the surroundings enhances your practice. Talk about starting the day right. This is not just a morning routine. It's a lifestyle, a testament to the opulence and grandeur that defines the lives of the wealthy. Every moment is curated to perfection, ensuring that the day begins on a note of absolute luxury and comfort. For the wealthy, leisure is an art form, meticulously crafted for maximum enjoyment. Think rejuvenating spa treatments, private art viewings, or exclusive access to the hottest concerts and sporting events. It's about indulging in experiences that are both enriching and exclusive, moments carefully curated to provide a break from the everyday hustle and bustle. Food is not just fuel for the wealthy, it's an adventure for the senses. Forget takeout and microwave dinners. We're talking Michelin-star restaurants, private chefs whipping up culinary masterpieces, and access to the rarest wines and delicacies from around the globe. Every meal is a celebration of flavor, a testament to the finer things in life. Section 5. The thrill of acquisition shopping sprees and bespoke experiences. Shopping for the wealthy is a whole different ballgame. Forget crowded malls and online deals. Imagine personal shoppers, private viewings at designer boutiques, and the ability to purchase anything your heart desires. From bespoke suits to one-of-a-kind jewelry, the world is their oyster. It's about the thrill of owning something unique, something that reflects their individual style and status. Section 6. Maintaining an empire, the weight of wealth. Now, before you start wishing for that winning lottery ticket, remember that great wealth often comes with great responsibility. Managing a fortune is a full-time job, involving teams of financial advisors, lawyers, and accountants working tirelessly behind the scenes. Investment portfolios, property management, tax optimization, it's a complex web that requires constant attention and careful strategizing. Section 7. The business of luxury, cultivating success. Many wealthy individuals are also business moguls, constantly striving to innovate and expand their empires. Their days might involve high-stakes meetings, strategic partnerships, and tireless efforts to stay ahead of the curve in their respective industries. The pressure to succeed is immense, and the stakes are incredibly high. Section 8. Philanthropy and legacy, the power of giving. For many of the ultra-wealthy, giving back is an integral part of their lives. Philanthropy becomes a way to make a difference, to leave a lasting legacy on the world. Whether it's supporting education, funding medical research, or combating climate change, their wealth becomes a tool for positive change. Section 9. The price of privilege, challenges and responsibilities. Living a life of luxury isn't without its challenges. Privacy becomes a luxury in itself, constantly hounded by paparazzi and public scrutiny. Maintaining genuine relationships can be tricky, with trust becoming a precious commodity. The weight of expectations, both personal and societal, can be immense. Section 10. Finding balance, the importance of grounding. Amidst the whirlwind of luxury and extravagance, it's crucial to find moments of grounding and connection. Spending quality time with family and loved ones, pursuing personal passions, and giving back to the community become essential for maintaining a sense of balance and purpose. It's about remembering that true happiness comes from within, not from material possessions. Section 11. The true luxury, gratitude, the true luxury. In a world where material wealth often takes center stage, it's easy to get caught up in the allure of opulence. The grand mansions, the sleek yachts, and the extravagant parties can make it seem like luxury is all about the tangible and the visible. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the world of the wealthy. The private jets, the exclusive vacations, and the high-end fashion are all part of a lifestyle that many dream of. But is that the true essence of luxury? While the luxurious lifestyle might seem alluring, it's crucial to look beyond the surface. The glitter and glamour can be enticing, but they often mask a deeper truth. True luxury isn't just about what you own, it's about how you feel and the quality of your experiences. It's important to remember that true fulfillment comes from appreciating the simple things in life. A quiet moment in nature, a heartfelt conversation, or a shared laugh with loved ones can bring more joy than any material possession. Gratitude, kindness, and genuine connections. These are the true luxuries. They enrich our lives in ways that money can't buy. When we cultivate gratitude, we start to see the beauty in everyday moments. These are the true luxuries we should all strive for, regardless of our bank account balance. A thoughtful gift, a warm hug, or a kind word can create lasting memories and deepen our connections with others. Regardless of our bank account balance, these moments of connection and appreciation are what truly matter. They remind us of our shared humanity and the importance of love and compassion. After all, a life filled with love and laughter is priceless. The joy of spending time with family, the comfort of being with friends, and the satisfaction of helping others are the real treasures in life. And that's our show for tonight. Remember, the true luxury lies not in what we have, but in how we live and the relationships we nurture. Thank you for joining us, and may you find your own true luxuries in the simple, meaningful moments of life. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more luxurious content.